Hi everyone, it's week 12. I can't believe it. Honestly, guys, it's been a journey. If you started this journey with me and you're still pressing on, please let me know in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram, share your progress pictures with me and all that. I started this 3 months egg growth challenge towards the end of December 2023. I think the last week of December or so, and it's been such an amazing journey. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the things that I've done in these past 12 weeks while I moisturize my hair, because I'm not ready to take this down. I know 12 weeks is like 3 months already, but I still have like 2 weeks because the mark I put on my calendar is 14 weeks. It's already 12 weeks and I'm so glad that I made it through. I know I've been doing some updating here and there, but I'm going to tell you guys specifically what I have been doing to help me maintain these braids. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. So like I said, I'm going to be doing my moisturization routine while I let you guys in on some of the things that I've been doing in this past 12 weeks, like that forms my protective style routine. As you can see, this is what my hair is looking like. I think I'm going to do a voiceover for this video from here on, so that I can concentrate on doing this routine. So guys, there are 4 major things that I've been doing to my hair in these past 3 months that I really want to share with you guys. I don't want to be the kind of person that shares something on the surface and forget about the little details. So this might not be significant for you, but it's significant for me, and I just want to share that with you guys. So number 1 is scalp massaging. So I was very diligent, consistent with my scalp massaging, which you're going to see me do in this video. I used to do scalp massages, but I'm not consistent. Mini braids challenge has helped me to be focused and consistent with my scalp massaging. So I have a calendar where I listed out the days that I'm going to be doing my scalp massaging and remoisturization routine. So practically it's when I want to moisturize my hair that I do that scalp massaging. So, and I do it like about 5 to 10 minutes just to get that blood flow into my scalp, which is very beneficial for hair growth. Then the next thing I was very religious in doing was the inversion method. Now this is something I seldom do, like usually I don't do it, but during this 3 months challenge, like I challenged myself to do the inversion method, not really necessarily for hair growth or anything, but I just wanted to try it out and just see how it feels. And it really felt good, because all that blood rushing to your scalp and you massaging at the same time. If you have any health challenges, please don't try that. Then the next thing I've been doing, number 3, is keeping the ends of my hair tucked away. So guys, I know it's fun to have your hair out, your braids dangling on your shoulder, showing your true length and just rocking your hair. But if you really want to be intentional about growing out your hair or retaining length, then you want to keep those ends tucked away. Like as you see my hair like this in this picture, that's because I'm trying to remoisturize my hair. You can never see my hair out like this outside, not because I can't do that. I can leave my hair down, I can let my hair down and rock it anywhere and just be me, but I am aiming for length retention, and letting my hair down defeats the purpose of length retention, because all that ends at the oldest part. They are the elders. You need to treat them well, you need to treat them, pamper them very well. So letting them rub on your shirts, just exposing them like that. We make them dry. They are going to dry out fast and they're going to be weak and prone to breakage. So I prefer to tuck the ends in to keep the ends of my hair moisturized. The fourth thing that I've been doing is wearing headbands. So I got this headband that I usually wear, so I just put them, it's just at the front perimeter of my hair, just to keep them away from the sun. I think going forward I will invest more on headbands or head wraps. I'll be using this headband, but it's really small, so I won't consider it as very significant, but it has helped me to just keep my edges in place, so it covers just my edges and a little part of the front section of my hair. So these are the things that I've been doing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.